President Trump's executive orders are facing tough legal scrutiny, including 2 orders which federal judges today blocked from taking effect. Erica Brown has more from the White House.
Federal employees will have a little more time to decide whether to take the Trump administration's resignation offer. U.S. District Judge George O'Toole ruled that employees will have until at least Monday afternoon to consider taking the buyout when he'll hold another hearing on the issue. Unions representing federal workers have sued, saying the buyout violates the law and that the government doesn't have the funds to back the plan. Democratic lawmakers echoed those concerns.
I don't believe it's been funded. I don't believe Donald Trump has any history of ever paying his bills. And I fear that federal employees may be marked for later riffing, potentially without any compensation.
The White House says more than 40,000 federal employees have already accepted the offer as President Trump tries to slash the size of the government.
We encourage federal workers in this city to accept the very generous offer. If they don't want to show up to the office, if they want to rip the American people off, then they're welcome to take this buyout, and we'll find highly competent individuals who want to fill these roles.
In a separate legal challenge to the president's executive order ending birthright citizenship for children born to migrant parents, a federal judge in Seattle granted a national injunction calling the order clearly unconstitutional.
During a hearing in Seattle, Judge John Kuhnhauer, a Reagan appointee, said it has become ever more apparent that to our president, the rule of law is but an impediment to his policy goals. In this courtroom and under my watch, the rule of law is a bright beacon which I intend to follow. Washington and 3 other states joined this lawsuit seeking to block the order.
In this country, we are safeguarded by the constitutional principles we have and in adherence to the rule of law.
The government is likely to appeal the case all the way to the Supreme Court. Erica Brown, CBS News, the White House.